Alright, guys. You're in the new update. You're in the new update. We added more stuff. I just created this because. Alright, let's go. Let's go check out the update. Yeah. Excuse me, right? Alright, let's actually get on a good. Alright, where the heck did I put that there? Oh, alright. I like goofing around with the camera. Alright.
Well, well. I told you I wanted to join.
Dude, I'm already recording the video.
Hey, at least I came at the perfect time. Remember
Yeah,
me,
dude,
I'm
I was
Giga
about.
Chad VR. And you're still not invited to my Spider-Man party.
You're still not. You're still getting the milk. All right, let's go check out the update.
Get dusted.
Ah,
Oh, frick, it's out of ammo. It's out of ammo.
got settings. Let me teleport to spawn, guys. Press this button.
Did you kill my muffins? Be honest.
No,
Yeah. Yeah.
no, I
Yeah.
didn't. You can't
Yeah.
hurt me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bah.
How'd you... Oh, yeah, portal ball.
Nope.
Wait, how?
Dude, it's in the settings. I can just press this teleport to spawn.
Wait, what?
You can't make me. Yeah. Enter creative mode. Or I'm in creative mode. Yay! Remove lobby, warps other room. Let's go to
Bro.
sandbox. Yay! The sandbox. Let's go to the other map. So, not a lot. Couple things. Okay, bye.
Bro.
Here.
Dude, there's
Do
just an
that.
unbreakable wall here. What the heck?
Yeah, I
is
know,
random?
but eventually it will break, and people can break it.
Hey, who wants to join a community world?
All right, guys, we got band winners. What the? Okay, guys, let's go to free build. Cause I just saw on the map, obviously. Okay, this does not seem normal. It seems like a normal wilds. Okay, let's see the differences. Let's see the differences. So it's not a community world. Got the things right here. Also got rules right here. Oh, there's no pasting maps. Oh. Uh, so it said, oh, I have every single. Wait. Okay, these are just play mode stuff. Okay, some things I don't own. Okay, so I never owned this. But I have a couple things that are just there. Those are my reals. And let me do something actually into. Okay, guys. I only had this for ice. But now I can have whatever I want. Yay! I just, Yay! That was definitely planned. Yay! Let's see if there's anything else. I actually want to take the... Let's touch the tech web. Here we come. Can't spell... Okay, there's a lot of new stuff. Let me check the music tech web. Alright. It's literally the same. Check on the... Okay, so obviously... guys, I don't even own these. Guys, it says I get like some free blocks. And, I don't have all of them. Let me tell you a couple stuff I don't own. So I do not own... Pick the teleporter. If I have a staff teleporter, because I do not own those. Yeah, my friend's not coming because I just joined the random. Dude, oh, is this the one? Oh. Okay, I never had this before. Okay, let's build a fun contraption. Okay, I'll see you in a sec. So guys, just a couple seconds later, it started. What the heck's happening? Okay, let me go inside. Let me go. Scared. Wait a second. Can I just Okay, so okay, what? So there's blocks? Is this really just free blocks? Because I don't own a lot of these. Alright guys, let me go up, let me go. What the?
Oh. Stop. Oh, wow. Alright guys, I was gonna build this cool contraption, but it didn't happen.
Like, that was weird. Does that happen every 15 minutes? I don't know what the heck that was, but I don't own that, so I can... So is this really just like the middle of the block? There's a toilet. I feel like that means... Ow! Bye. Oh. Ugh! Please build some. I really want to get rid of these. Also juking all these guys somehow. Okay, so I don't have any non-human. Ow. I just... I just can't... Oh. Oh my goodness. Let me just, sacrifice it. Fine. Where are you? How did I insta-kill all of them? Alright guys. This is gonna be end to the goofy video. Oh yeah, let me get rid of this guy. Okay, so that was goofy. Wait, before this video ends, Go check someone else. Not. This code right now. Are there any other maps? No. I feel like I checked everything out. Well, let's go check the tech webs. Was this there before? Yeah, I think it was. No, I don't think this was there. I don't think that was there. Oh, that wasn't there either. Yep. Good. Check the tech webs. Yeah, so I don't have a streak. Well, let's go check out some other. Alright, we're in Desert Town. Check the town. Yeah, boy. I only see this. Yeah, I think that's the only thing. I feel like that is gonna be useless or useful. No in betweens. Okay, let's check out the snow tech web. Actually, no, it's the fantasy tech web. Guys, check out this tech web. There's probably gonna be another one. The exact same. Where is it? Oh, right here. Is there anything else? Oh, not that I know of. Let's go. Another tech web. Tag tower. I've only checked out this. Play this a little bit. I know this is Tap Tap. Is there any new achievements? No, there's not any. Alright. Just sitting. Really move. But the only thing that's actually that I'm actually wondering, where the heck is the tech web? Oh, I found it. Is the tech web really not in here? I don't care. Let's just check out the map. It's not loud. Really? Oh, no, there's not a tech web. Check out. No town, wherever it is. No. Okay, guys, this is a robbery. Let me go steal. So like, it's gonna keep being the same. Over and over. There's gonna be right here. Oh, there's two. Got the T thing, which I got last time. Yeah. So for getting the wiring tech web, let's go check out Facility X. Oh, why it's not classified as a dungeon? It literally it really is just a dungeon. Easy dungeon. Alright. I didn't know how to get to that. Hey, that's not important. tech web is. A wiring tech web. It's gonna be one of the same things. Wait. That one in here? One in here? I don't think anything's in here. I don't think anything's in here. Well, that's everything I know for this video. Goodbye.